Showing you how to import an FBX model into Immerse Creator. So we're going to go into, on Steam, you will find your Immerse Creator app and right click on the name of the app and go down to Properties and go to Local Files, Browse Local Files. This file location is where you're going to want to save your mesh. You can create a new folder if you'd like to keep it organized and call it meshes or whatever you want to call it, and put your meshes into that folder. It can be anywhere. As long as it's anywhere in this directory, it will find the FBX and present it to you in Immerse Creator as an option to import. So I'm going to put it into meshes, and I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to be using Maya. You can use any 3D program that you'd like. I've got this fox here that I bought on TurboSquid a few weeks back during one of their sales. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that he's about the mesh is about the right scale. So I'm using inches as my units in Maya at this point. So this is about the size. It's going to be kind of big, but I'm going to take it. Let's see. I'll shrink them down a little bit. And so you want to make sure that the scale and the translation are zeroed out. So in Maya, at the very least, I'm not sure about 3ds or Blender specifically. I'm going to freeze transformations and I'm going to reset the transformation. Reset the transformation so that it's at 0. The origin point is at 0. That's the only real thing you need to know. You want to keep your meshes fairly simple at this point. I mean, we can import some larger meshes, but it takes a while for Immerse Creator to process it. So you'll want to keep the models fairly simple at this point, and we're getting more and more robust support for FBXs. But because it's such an early feature in early access at this point, we're just gonna. I would recommend keeping the meshes pretty simple. So I'm going to export this FBX out, export selection. I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab my folder here. This directory is where I want to put this, and I'm going to paste it into here. And I'm in the meshes folder, and I'm going to call him Fox. And you want to make sure that embed media is checked, so that'll bring the texture along with it. You don't need anything else, just the embedded media. And I'm going to I'm just going to export selection with that. All right, then I'm going to go into Immerse Creator. Inside Immerse Creator, we're just going to go to Saver and import FBX, and there's my Fox. Any FBX that's in that directory is going to show up here. So I just click that, and then you wait just a little while. Sometimes, and you hear the double beep, that means that the asset is finished uploading. Sometimes, if it's a larger mesh, it's going to take a while and it might lag you out for a little bit, but when it's done and you hear that double beep, you go to your imported FBX. I actually have a lot of FBXs from here because I've been doing a lot of work inside Immerse Creator. These are all meshes that I've imported previously that are cached, but there's the last one that I imported is the Fox. Drag it onto my inventory, and now I've got a cool little Fox in my scene. That's how you import an FBX into Immerse Creator. Thanks for watching.